fun. And the go for a walk. Follow-up question. What's up, you guys? It's Margot. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to be sharing my summer night routine with you guys. Obviously, a lot has changed since my last night routine when I was at school and I was living with friends, and my schedule and just what I was doing looked really different, and also the products I was using. So we're switching it up. I've actually really enjoyed being home and getting into more of a routine, especially in terms of the products I've been using. I'm really excited to share that this video is sponsored by Rooted Rituals, which is an amazing hair care brand. I've been using it for about a month now and I'm really in love, so I'm really excited to share my favorite products and kind of how I use them in my routine. Without further ado, let's get into the night. It's about 5, so I feel like this is when my work ends for the night and I can actually start kind of winding down. First things first, I went thrift shopping today, cleaned everything, and I really want to show you what I got because I'm obsessed. So I'll do a little try on haul. I also vlogged a bit when I was there, so roll the clips.
I found these 2 things.
As I go through each of these pieces that I picked up, I'm gonna tell you what part of the store I go to, because I feel like one of the most intimidating parts about thrift shopping is knowing like where to go, especially if it's huge. So recently my favorite part has just been going straight to the pajama section. I really like the silky shirts and also the dresses. So I got this is Victoria's Secret brand. Victoria's Secret is also a great search term if you're looking on like Depop or ThredUp or something like that. So I really like this top. I think it's really fun. It's missing a button on the top, but my mom is a really great seamstress and we have a lot of buttons, so I think that will be a non-problem. Next thing I got is this red tank top. I just really like the fit of it. I think that's one of the most important things when you're thrift shopping is try to like, I never try it on at the store, I always wash it before I try them on. But I try to figure out if the fit is gonna be best, because then it's easy to match with things that you already have. This top would probably be found in like the women's blouse section unless they have a tank top section, but I just look for solid prints and especially colors I really like, because if it's a color I hate, I'm never gonna wear it. Okay, next up are these shorts. I was looking for shorts exactly like this, maybe a little bit less shiny, but it's fine. I just really like kind of the oversized boy shorts for summer. I actually found an Adidas pair that I really liked in the men's section, but it was actually the boys section, so it was just too small. So that's going back to the fit. If you know it's not gonna fit you, it's not worth it. So I'm really happy with these. I feel like they're just easy to throw on and would look really cool with an oversized sweater and some Air Force Ones, or even just a tank top like this, especially a black tank top I think would be really cool. This one is a slip dress. I love it, but it's definitely a little bit see-through on the bottom, so I'm either gonna line it or I'll just wear it with shorts or like bathing suit cover up. But I really love the fit, and for this I went to the sleepwear section, and same for the next dress. So again, this is another sleepwear dress. It is a little bit see-through. It's fine inside, but I feel like if I went outside it would be more obvious. So again, either lining this or just using this as a slip dress for something else. I think it's really pretty. Sleepwear section has really great dresses. This next dress I was drawn to because of the shape, and I have another dress, the pink one, that I love. That's exactly this shape and it has the pockets, and I've had that for a few years and it's always my go-to dress. So I'm just walking around, running errands, going to a little dinner party. It's so easy. So when I saw this, I knew it'd be the same situation, but it's just really a simple fit, and I like the blue and white stripes for summer. I'm ending the haul with my favorite piece. It is a London fog jacket, and I was so excited when I saw it. I really love these long jackets. It's obviously too heavy for summer, but I feel like it's gonna be very chic to wear in the winter, especially with tall boots, maybe even a little black dress under it. It's just very easy to wear. Fabric is amazing. That's obviously something really important to feel. I just really love this color and I love the fit of it, and I'm really excited to wear this winter. I just got dressed into my favorite Outdoor Voices set, and I'm gonna go on a walk with my dad and Rue because it's a beautiful night. I'm so excited! Rue, are you excited? Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Whoa, let's do it! We are at the top of a hill, and this is my favorite spot in this whole park. We've been going here since the beginning of quarantine, and it's been really cool to see the seasons change as we come up here. So now it's beautiful and super green. Our walk, it was really nice, and we just ordered sushi. We usually never order food for dinner, but we decided to tonight, and I'm really excited. So when I get home, I'm gonna hop in the shower and then eat dinner. Yeah, I'll see you when I'm at home. I just got home, and I'm really excited to finally tell you about Rooted Rituals, especially my favorite two products. I swear these make a huge difference. Rooted Rituals is a hair care brand that focuses not only on keeping your scalp really clean, which kind of like a random thing to think about, but it's very important, but it also hydrates your hair. Really, it's just promoting healthy hair all around. The two products I'm gonna show you are kind of the start and end to my everyday routine, and then I'll briefly touch on some other products if I'm doing like a big hair care day. But we're gonna start with the Quick Rinse Scalp Scrub, and this has ginger root and mint. Not only are the ingredients amazing for your hair, but they smell incredible. This scalp scrub, try saying that 10 times fast, has micro exfoliators, which will scrub into a gentle lather, and you can rinse it out really quickly to remove buildup. This is super important. I wish I had this when I was at Syracuse, because not to be gross or TMI, but the water quality there, I don't know if it was just my apartment building or the city or where my apartment was getting its water or whatever, but every time I showered, it wouldn't completely rinse the product out. So there was just a buildup of product near my scalp, and it was not cute. So that's why I was really intrigued about these products. Really quickly, just to touch on these products, I love these. This is a pre-shampoo root rinse, so I'll show you how you use it. If you feel like your hair is really dirty, I'm only on second day hair, so I don't feel like it's too dirty, but if your hair is super oily, you can literally just take this product, and about 10 minutes before you hop in the shower, you can put this in, and it's gonna start to break down those oils so that your wash is even more effective. In the shower, I've been using the clarifying shampoo and conditioner. These are safe for color treated hair, which is really important for me. These both have ginger root, and this has charcoal in the shampoo and then aloe in the conditioner. It leaves your hair feeling so amazing. But I'm gonna tell you guys my secret. I'm gonna show you guys how I use this after the shower, but this is the multitask leave-on mask, and I've been looking for a really good mask. My hairdresser told me that I should find one. This is what you use after you shower, so I'll show you guys kind of how I apply it. But it smells incredible. It's kind of sweet. And I forgot the best part. They have this root rejuvenizing scalp massager. I'm assuming it's supposed to help with hair growth and just like getting the product actually down there. I always use this with the scalp scrub, but it feels so amazing. It feels like somebody's giving you a head massage, which is the best feeling in the world. So I'm gonna hop in the shower now. You guys can probably tell that I'm obsessed with these products, and I wish you guys could smell it. They're available at Walmart if you guys are interested. I'm gonna leave all the links down below. Again, thank you to Rooted Rituals for sponsoring this video. Huge fan. I'm gonna get in the shower, put some music on with my UE Boom, maybe light a candle, just vibe for a little bit, and then I will catch up with you guys after. So I just got out of the shower, clearly. I almost never blow dry my hair, partially because I'm not that good at it, so I need the one I had. It was actually my last nighttime routine. It's kind of like an automatic blow dryer thing. I'll use that when I'm in a rush. It's great, but if I don't need to use that, I like it to air dry. So I'm gonna show you how I use the multitask leave-on mask from Rooted Rituals. And this has vitamin E in it, so it's really good for your hair. It's gonna keep your hair really healthy and also shiny. I take a big amount on my hands, and I'll kind of start at the ends and then slowly work that up. It smells amazing. So I'm just gonna let that air dry. I'm gonna get dressed into some cozy clothes and then go down and have my sushi. I'm so excited.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You guys, look how insane this looks. Our spicy mayo, our soy sauce, extra ginger, if you know, you know. Here's the setup. I could not be happier right now. If you guys are sushi people, serious question. I never know what to get at sushi restaurants, and my friends always get the best orders, so now they just order for me. But what do you guys order if you're getting sushi? Oh my god. No, get away. Sushi. Good time. Is this my first mukbang? Welcome. What was the first food that you guys had when you were able to eat out again? Me, personally, it was Thai food. Normally, if I'm at home, especially if we get takeout, I would normally eat with my family, but both my parents are working right now and I was starving and I had to show you guys the feast, so. Okay, follow-up question. What was your favorite meal to cook during quarantine? Were you making a lot of the same thing? You guys probably know I was making the same cookies over and over again. It was a fan favorite. And by fan, I mean me. I ate about 6 batches by myself each month. Or are you more adventurous type of person and cooked a bunch of different things? Or are you person 3 where you hate cooking and it was the worst thing ever to not have restaurants open? See you after I finish this. Clean Plate Club, baby.
Discovered a bumblebee nest in the front yard.
Oh, it's 8:30. That dinner was amazing. I have some laundry to put away, and I actually have a few things that came in the mail. I think 1 or 2 of them is Depop, so it's more thrifty stuff, so I'll show you that quickly, and then it's going to be room cleaning time. I have a skirt from Depop that I ordered. It's just a little white mini skirt. I will leave the seller's on camera, but I'm really excited about this. This box is clothes that my mom and I ordered together, so I'm gonna wait until she gets home to open it, but I got 2 pairs of dress pants from W by Worth. Earlier today, I got a package from Alice and Olivia, and they gifted me my dream suede pants. I actually thrifted a similar pair in Prague, I believe, and they ripped when I wore them out that night. Yes, I was in a club with ripped jeans. Anywho, these are the real deal from Alice and Olivia. I'll leave them below. I believe they're on sale right now. Lastly, I just want to show you, these came in the mail yesterday. These are pharmacy skincare products, and they look so cute. I wanted to show you guys this candle quickly. I just got it in the mail, and it's amazing. The company is called Antique Laquais. It is a Black female-owned company, and I got the scent home. I'm pretty sure this was only $25, which is really affordable. This scent home just smells very fresh, so I'm gonna burn this, and then I see myself ordering another one of her candles, but I know that a lot of Black businesses are selling out, so I didn't want to hoard them right now. We'll definitely be repurchasing this, and just wanted to share with you guys. I'll link the website below. I am going to end this vlog routine hybrid thing here, but thank you so much for sticking around. I had so much fun sharing my night with you guys. This was definitely a very typical night for us. I would say the only thing that was kind of out of the ordinary was ordering food. Thank you again to Rooted Rituals for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to shop, the products are exclusively at Walmart, so make sure you check them out, pick it up. It's really nice to have just a really easy hair care regimen. All the products are in the same line, really great ingredients. You guys know I love them, and I'm happy to answer any questions about products or whatever in the comments of this video. If you guys want to stay more up to date on my day-to-day, make sure you check out my Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I have lots of vlogs and really fun videos coming that I'm very excited to share. I've already started filming them. I'm not just talking the talk. I promise you it's coming. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Good night.